Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Chandrasekar. I'm a practicing plastic surgeon from Madurai and Tamil Nadu. I have come to Elegance Vidhyalaya for the Hair Transplant Workshop conducted by Dr. Ashutosh Shah, held in Surat. It was a very great program to start with, and was able to learn about the basics of hair transplantation. Both the hands-on and the theory part. Sir explained the in and out details about hair transplantation, the pre of consultation, right from the history taking to the examination to what all investigation we have to do, and coming to the treatment aspect of the FU part of the hair transplant. So he demonstrated everything case by case regarding how to manage it, and it was a very great program. I had a very great knowledgeable session for the past 2 days. I would recommend everyone to attend this program in Surat by Dr. Ashutosh Shah. And not only hair transplant, you can learn about anything about the non-surgical part like PRP, mesotherapy, and GRF also. I had a very great time here in Surat, and hope you all come here and attend the workshop in Surat. Thank you.